today.
Okay, ready? Hey, I'm Sammy with Hollyland. I'm on the tech support side here. I'm just going to take a look at our mics. So right here we have our Lark M2. You got a camera receiver here. It's going to come out of the 3.5. Got your volume control. Your actual mics are going to look like this right here. They're going to connect with a magnet. So you'll see it like that. They also come with stickers if you wanted to cover that logo, or you can get a custom made sticker for your own logo on there. Other options for receivers with the M2 are the Lightning for older iPhones and a USB-C for the newer iPhones or Android. Now, after the Lark M2, we have the M2S. We'll probably have to...
Can you give us more specs about quality of the specs?
Sure. Ready? Yeah. So you can go 24, 48 on these. They have noise cancellation, and you get a 1,000-foot range between the receiver and the mics themselves. The case will also charge the mics twice over. Cool. And then we'll get... So for the Lark M2S, case is going to look like this. You're going to hold your mobile receiver. There's your mic itself, and then the camera receiver is going to be sitting right in here. This case will also charge it twice over, and it all sits in here.
The Mark M2S?
M2S, yep.
Yes. I know someone has a hold of it, but someone else is interested.
Yeah.
Wait, just talk about it.
So the M2S, you're going to get the same specs as far as audio quality, same range there with the receiver, transmitter, except those are just going to be a smaller form factor in the form of a clip, which looks like this. It's what I'm using right here. Both models have noise cancellation. They do a fantastic job. We have that kicked in here in the middle of this entire convention. And the same options. You get the phone receivers in the form of Lightning, a USB-C, as well as the camera receiver. Same specs, just smaller form factor. This is going to be attached through a clip and look like this. And that's it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.